3D printing started, not a lot of people know this, but it started back in like the 80s. First started with plastics, industrial materials, and then it only really started to move into different domains like food in the past 10 to 15 years. So this is our food printer that we're working with, doing all of our testing. This machine can pick up different ingredients on this tool carriage here. So once it picks up an ingredient, it can start moving around with it in an XY direction. Since we're using data in the process, we can control all of the nutrients and all of the things that are consumed by the individual. So it's basically all about customization for the user.
Everybody will be able to do it. So we'll democratize cooking in ways that no technology has ever had. So I think we'll see a sort of, in fact, a renaissance in cooking in ways that we haven't seen before. It's actually, I think it's the way of the future.
There are concerns that we're getting so far away from food as real food, and we've allowed ourselves to arrive at a food system that's really giving us processed foods that don't afford the fiber and the vitamins and minerals and nutrition that we used to get through eating whole foods. I think that that is a wake-up call to all of us, especially us in nutrition and in food science, in making sense out of where we really need to be going. Do we really need yet another technology that will help us process foods, or should we be looking for technologies to distribute food, real food, to more people?
Actually, it tastes really good.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that.
I'm not expecting it to taste so good.